Starting with question number 15. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, rupee 2 and rupees 5. Now these are in coins, okay? And the total of these comes to rupees 300. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times that of rupees 5. So let u take as rupees 5x. Then number of rupees 2 will be 3 times of 5x, 3 times of rupees x, that is 3 into x, which gives you 3x. 1 we don't know. The total number of coins is 160. Total number of coins means if you add rupees 1 ka coin and rupees 2 ka coin, that is 3x, and this also we know. So the total is 160. यहाँ से हम rupees 1 find out कर लेंगे. So 3x plus x gives you 4x. So rupees 1 is equal to plus 4x is equal to 160. Now this will shift to that side. So rupees 1 is equal to 160 minus 4x. Okay. Now we have, this is the denomination of the coins. Now we have to find the value also. Got it? The value also. So let's write what is given. Here you can see what have I written. Let rupees 5 coin be x, then rupees 2 coin is equal to 3 into rupees 5 coin, that is 3 into x, that is 3x. Also the number of coins is given, the total number of coins, that is rupees 160, that is rupees 1 ka coin plus rupees 2 ka coin plus rupees 3 ka coin, 5 ka coin will give you rupees 1, total number of coins will give you 160 coins. So this is actually 160 coins, not rupees. So rupees 1 coin plus, we'll put the value of rupees 2 coin, that is 3x, and value of rupees 5 coin which we have assumed as x, which is equal to 160x. Then this gives us 4x. Here we had explained this. Okay, so we get rupees 1 coin is equal to 160 minus 4x. Also amount of rupees 5x, you have to find the amount of rupees 5. So 5 into x, that is 5x. Amount of rupees 2, that is 2 into 3x, that is 6x. Amount of 1, that is 1 into 160 minus 4x, which is equal to the same because they are being multiplied by 1. Now according to the question, the total of these will give you rupees 300. So let me rub the board. So according to the question, 5x plus 6x plus, that is rupees 1 coin ka value, is equal to 300. Now from here we are going to find the value of x. So 5x plus 6x give us 11x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to rupees 300. Now this is plus, it will go that side, all the constants one side, all the variables one side. So 160 plus is plus, it will become minus, and 11 minus 7 will give you, 11 minus 4 will give you 7. So 7x is equal to 300 minus 160. So 7x is equal to, this is 140. So x is equal to 7 will be transposed that side. So it will be 20. Okay. So 5x, the value of rupees 5 coin is x, that is 20. Then rupees 2 was how much? 3x, that is 3 into 20, 60, that is 60 coins. And rupees 1 was 160 minus 4x. So 160 minus 4 into 20. So 160, 80, that is 80. Okay. So this is your answer, 20 coins, 60 coins and 80 coins. If you add these, your total will come up to 160. And if you multiply these with the values, that is 5 into 20, 2 into 60 and 1 into 80, and then add, then you will get the total of rupees 300.